Your bathroom mirror should not feel like a source of anxiety every morning. You see people wearing these glowing red shields on social media, and they look like they belong in a space station. It makes you wonder if we have finally found the actual shortcut to perfect skin. But before you pull out your credit card, we need to talk about what is actually happening behind that red light. The Elura Skin Mask is making waves right now. This device uses red light and near-infrared technology. These are real scientific tools used to help with collagen and fine lines. It sounds like magic. It is not magic. It is biology. Your skin is a living organ. It does not transform overnight just because you bought a new gadget. This is where most people get frustrated. They expect to wake up with a brand new face after one session. That is just not how this works. You are looking at a commitment of weeks or even months. You have to use it consistently. If you skip days, you are basically starting over. This is a marathon. You cannot lift weights once and expect a total body transformation. You have to show up. You have to do the work. This device seems to be a legitimate piece of technology. It is not a scam. But its effectiveness depends entirely on you. Your age matters. Your skin type matters. Even your daily habits matter. If you spend all day in the sun without protection, a red light mask cannot save you. You need to look at the big picture. Before you buy, do your homework. Do not just look at the shiny advertisements. Look for real people with real results. Check the return policy. Does the company actually help you if something goes wrong? You want to know that your investment is protected. There are so many of these masks on the market now. Some are great, and some are just cheap plastic with basic bulbs. This mask uses the right kind of light, but you have to decide if it fits your budget. Is it worth the price tag for a gradual change? For some, the answer is a loud yes. For others, it might be better to stick to a solid serum. You have to be honest about your own routine. Will you actually sit there for 15 minutes every single day? If the answer is no, then save your money. Skincare should be about what works for your life. It should not be another chore that makes you feel guilty. If you are ready for the long haul, this tech can be a game changer. It can bring back that radiance. It can help you feel more confident when you look in that mirror. Just keep your expectations grounded in reality. Real beauty is a slow process. It is about health and consistency. Don't let the marketing hype rush you into a choice. Take a breath. Read the fine print. Make sure you are doing this for the right reasons. Your face is worth the extra research. Don't settle for the first flashy thing you see on your feed. Look deeper and find the truth for yourself. This technology is fascinating because it works on a cellular level. It targets the mitochondria in your cells. It gives them the energy to repair and rejuvenate. That is a slow and steady process. It is not a surface level fix. You are literally feeding your skin cells light. That is why results take time. You are waiting for your body to build new proteins. You are waiting for the inflammation to go down. If you can be patient, the payoff can be incredible. But if you want a miracle by Friday, you will be disappointed. Stay curious and stay skeptical of anything that promises the world in 24 hours. Good things take time. Your skin is your largest organ, and it deserves a thoughtful approach rather than a fast purchase based on a trend. Be smart with your beauty budget.